Say goodbye to your glasses and improve your eyesight with this amazing recipe. Improve your eyesight, powerful recipe. Vladimir Petrovich Filatov is a famous Russian surgeon and doctor who in the 60s used both conventional and alternative medicine to treat people with poor eyesight, helping to improve the eyesight in the process and prevent further eye loss. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: aloe juice, aloe arborescens, 100 gram. Crushed walnuts, 500 gram. Pure honey, 300 gram. Lemon juice, 3 to 4 pcs. Preparation method: the aloe vera juice should be made first. You do this by picking the lower, middle and upper leaves. Leave the top of the plant as well as the remaining 3 to 4 leaves. You should then use boiled water that has been cooled at room temperature to wash the leaves. Take off the spikes, then chop the leaves into small bits. You can strain the aloe juice using a double gauze. Filatov, however, recommends that you should not chop the leaves at once but rather should be kept on a plate and refrigerated for a period of 10 to 12 days. He figured that by doing this, you will be able to trigger the biogen stimulators that awaken the aloe cells. You should then wash the leaves and proceed with the procedure. Instructions: you should consume this solution 30 minutes before a meal and 3 times daily. You should consume this solution until you notice the improvement in your eyesight. Note: except for improving eyesight, aloe vera juice is also great for sufferers of hemorrhoids, tuberculosis, cardiovascular diseases, kidney disease, gastrointestinal tract problems, female reproductive organ inflammation. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.